Ready, set, earn. That's the slogan of MultiPolls, but is it really worth it? Is it really a fast and easy way to earn some extra money? My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and in this video, this MultiPolls review, I'll give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, show you both the pros and the cons so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join MultiPolls, and when you go to the website you can go and see that it's available in quite a lot of different languages, so it is available in many different countries. You can also download it both for iOS and Android devices. You can also join it on the website, and you can also find some earning opportunities on the website itself, but it does not have as many options to earn on the website, so therefore I will show you inside the app because that just gives more opportunities, and then we'll talk about whether it's really worth it or not. So let me just log into the app. So I am now logged into the MultiPolls app and I'm just in the service section. That's the main way to earn here. You can see it's quite easy to get an overview of the service available. It does say here, for example, on the website itself, that you can also share your location and then you will earn up to 3 times more per survey. I haven't really seen a significant increase in the earnings even if you share that, so I don't know if it's just a way to try to get you to actually do that. It's up to you. You can test it yourself if you feel like sharing your location with them. But anyways, you would just need to here see the service. You can see approximately how long it takes, and then in your local currency you will see what you get. The estimated time is fairly accurate. In my experience, it often takes a little bit longer, but the great thing is that when you first join, the first couple of surveys are more like profile surveys, so you're guaranteed to qualify and you get quite high rewards for those. They usually just take like a couple of minutes to do, and then you will earn a bit, so it kind of almost works as a joining bonus. But other than that, then you just need to see which surveys that are available. I would say that compared to many other survey apps, it offers an okay amount, but definitely not the most. It still has limited options, but they do pay decently, the surveys, but not one of the highest paying apps, but still it can be some interesting surveys. It can be a way to easily earn from your phone, but it also does offer other ways to earn. So I now just jump to the gaming section, and this is an option you, for example, cannot find on the website. So you would have to go through the app, and you can see you can view the game offers, and then it's this playtime. So it tracks how long you play a game, and then you'll get paid per minute. And I do not have any available, and that's very unusual for me when it comes to these playtime games, and usually other apps where that is available. That's quite easy for me to find games there, but it doesn't have any for me currently anyways. So not great opportunity for me. Maybe that will be different for you. You know, if you have other experiences, please feel free to share in a comment below. But it can be a way to earn a little bit more. Personally, if you like playing games, then there are other options that I would prefer. I also do have a list of the best ways to earn by playing games. I'll leave a link below. You can check that out on my website. And in addition to earning by playing games, it also has a referral section, so you can earn 10% commission whenever you invite people to join. This is also an option you, for example, cannot find on the website. So there are more options inside the app. That's why if you decide to use it, I do recommend that you use the app. But before deciding, we of course need to talk about how you can get paid and also the overall earning potential. So let's go over that next. So I have now jumped to the cash out section, and which options that are available will depend on the country you live in. Where I live, I only have PayPal as an option. In some countries, you will also have gift cards available. And the payout threshold can also vary from country to country. For me, it's in the local currency where I'm currently located, but it would be around $12. So not a super low payout threshold, but not also unreasonably high. It is definitely possible to reach. I still would prefer it to be a little bit lower, but still it's okay. But I would also say that it does take some patience to reach compared to what I've seen on many other apps. In the FAQ section of MultiPolls, it does say that it pays more than most other apps. Again, I have tested hundreds of survey websites and apps, and I do not see that it pays more than most others. I would say the rewards are kind of average, and there definitely are quite a few that pay more, but it can be a decent platform to earn a bit extra. It is quite user friendly, but the payout threshold could be a little bit lower in my personal opinion. But overall, it can be an option. But if you wanna check out some of my top recommended survey apps, and I do have a list of those. I'll leave a link below so you can go and check that out. And also, if you just in general like reading instead of just watching videos, I also do have a written MultiPolls review, so I'll also leave a link to that below. But no matter what, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.